Hello guys, and welcome back to our next video and lecture from this course entitled 5 ways to start a home online business or an online home-based business. Now, previously we have talked about two business models, and one of them was affiliate marketing with video reviews. The other one was dropshipping with physical products. And now we want to share with you another business model which is strongly related to the second one with the physical products arbitrage. And this new business model is for digital products arbitrage or dropshipping. It's a little bit different than with physical products, but the concept mainly is the same. So without no further ado, let's dive into the information. Let's see which is the exact process of applying this business model and starting to earn with arbitrage for digital products or services. Well, the first step that we have to take is to create accounts on digital products marketplaces, the place where actually you will sell the products or services, and freelancing sites, okay? And some examples we have here: Fiverr, Upwork, freelancer.com, warriorforum.com, and you can search for other websites like this on Google. Now, the second thing that we want to do is look for products or services with high demand or which are selling very, very well. And here is an example of, let's say, a service which is selling on Fiverr very well and which you can get for cheaper prices on other websites like SEO Clerks, okay? And some examples are YouTube views, okay, so getting people YouTube views for their videos, Instagram followers. There are people who want to grow their Instagram accounts and they don't want to do it themselves, so they hire someone to do it for them, and you can offer that to them. Or just growing their account in general. Then we have the graphic services like logo creation, which are selling very well, okay, video production and other services like that, okay. Even online courses, you can sell online courses on Fiverr. Basically we have done that and it works, okay. Then the third step is to find a service or a product that you can deliver or that you can outsource, okay. So mainly what we have shown you before, okay, with the YouTube views, the Instagram followers and everything are examples. But what's important for you personally is to find that service or product that you can deliver, okay? And you can do that either yourself or outsource it for a cheaper price and sell it for a higher price, and you earn from the price difference, okay? And I hope that makes sense, because it's easy. You can either do the work yourself and you just get paid for your work and deliver the service. You either pay somebody less to do the work and you get more money, and from the price difference you earn. Then what you need to do is to list that service or product on the platforms for a higher price, okay? Get reviews, because on these marketplaces it's very important to have reviews, like at least 5 ratings and reviews. And then get sales, okay? After you have a few reviews, you will start to get more exposure from the marketplace, okay? They will send more traffic to you, more visitors, and then you will start to make sales too, okay? And it's pretty easy. As you can see, it's not a complicated process at all. And in the next video I will show you some examples as well. Now here is a Fiverr example, okay, which is probably one of the biggest marketplaces in the world for services. Absolutely everything starts from $5, okay? That's what you need to know. Now here is a Fiverr example, okay? List a service for logo creation at a cheaper price in the beginning, okay? Maybe you will see that the average price is probably somewhere at $20-25. You can list the service at $15, okay? You outsource it, okay, to someone. You find someone who does it for you for like $7 or something like that, or buy some templates. You can find the logo templates with reselling rights, so that you can create and deliver the logos to your clients, okay? If you buy the templates, you have to adapt the templates so that it looks fit for the business of the client, and deliver the logos yourself, or you outsource it to someone, right? Then you get reviews from friends and from Facebook review groups, okay? You have if you will go on Facebook and search for Fiverr review groups, you will find them. They buy the gig, you just refund them the money through PayPal. If they just agree to buy the gig, okay. If they want a refund, like not to pay anything, you can just send them the money back over for PayPal, okay? Get at least 5 ratings and reviews. This is very, very important, okay? You will start getting more traffic and exposure, and you will start selling the gig or service. After a time, you can increase the price. Okay, it's very easy, not hard at all. Okay, so this is a great example, a simple example, so you can understand better, but I will show you in the next video as well. Okay, now thank you very much for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in the next video.